are in super hot, super sunny Moab again for a car show. Dylan got his car done, and so we brought it down here for their big car show that they have once a year. And we are just getting ready to go down to look at the cars and then just hang out at my grandma's for the rest of the day, as far as I know. I tried to do my hair 50s today, and it turned out really cute. I cannot get a good picture of it, but I might do a tutorial of it later because it's pretty cool and it's super, super easy. But that is the plan. We're just getting ready to head out. Sprinklers. It is hot. Let's see you. Why won't you go in?
Come on, Addie. Come get your ball.
You gotta go get your ball out of the water.
Okay, hold your sister. Leave your ball here, Aria. And hold Addie by the hand. Take her to get her ball.
Take her to get it.
Come on, Addie.
Go, Sissy Ad.
Come on. Sister.
Don't pull her mean. Don't pull her mean.
She doesn't want to, Aria. It's okay.
Addie, you too scared?
Sissy, I'll go with you.
Look at Aria. She likes it.
I got it. There it is. Say thank you, Sissy.
I never know what to say. Anyway.
Going on a date in the Nova.
We're gonna go cruise around after the car show.
Peace.
He didn't take any
Deuces.
footage of the car show because he sucks.
I suck.
Didn't even want to document your first car show.
I was talking to everybody. Everybody wanted to ask about the motor.
So I'll try to get some footage of cars while we drive around. But it's gonna be loud, so we'll see.
Oh, let's let them listen to this thing start up. Ready?
My arm. It's gotta put it out the window. There you go. Yay! I look sick. Because I am. Alright, shall we go?
We shall.
Date night. When your car breaks down. Dang it. I'm filming you.
Hashtag race car problems.
Hashtag race car problems. Hashtag really hot date night. Gonna be in my vlog? No. We're supposed to do it. It's supposed to be ended yesterday.
What? Your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh.
But Dylan didn't get any footage of the car show because he sucks. He had one job.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
I lost Patty. She just won.
I see her. Anyway, we're at an arcade, right? We're gonna play Fruit Ninja.
Fruit Ninja, yeah.
Sorry. Fruit Ninja. We're in a different town now with Cass at an arcade. You're doing it! You're doing so well! 13 coins! Alright, well that is the end of the vlog. We got home pretty late that night and I didn't feel very well. I was sick the whole weekend and just trying to pretend I wasn't. So I came home and decided to settle into actually being sick. But we had a good trip. It was a lot of fun, and thank you everyone for bearing with me in not posting lately because, as I said, I have not felt well, but hopefully we will be back up to posting twice a week again, and I'll see you in my next video.